Chevrolet Summer Event. You may want to call Dick. Qualified lessees now get a low mileage lease on this Malibu LS for around $199 a month. Call for details. The switch begins at ChevyDealer.com. Today is the day because you get our best offer of the year on Xfinity Triple Play during our Switch and Save event going on now. Internet and voice and get a lock in for 2 years. Plus, get a Showtime and HD DVR. And we'll make it easier than ever to switch with free installation and 2-hour appointment windows to fit your schedule. So switch to the Xfinity Triple Play only from Comcast for just
Yeah, this is Leo and Sunny doing all their thing. Because they love to play. Yeah, they love to play. Yeah, they love to play. Because they're big playful little doggies. Yeah, Sunny. Yeah, he says, I love to play. He said, my little doggy play friend, he's not here anymore. Where'd he go, Sonny? You want to come see my face? Come turn around, sweetie, so the people can see you. Dear little Sonny. Dear little Sonny. Yes, dear little Sonny. He goes to become a little doggy.